ano pa? Pwede naman i-upload, di ba? Sinin.
Boom. Choose. Huwag muna magsimula. Huwag ka tatawan para nakaupo kayo. Yan. May upa yan. Describe. Alam niyo pag-describe sa loob ng circle. Ha? Yung malalayo, pwede lumapit-lapit. Doon sa napakante. So, we will draw a circle because the pentagon will be inside the circle. So, what is the first thing we will do? Draw a circle. Diameter 80. Okay, we will draw a circle. You first draw a vertical line. Draw a horizontal line. Now, you can now draw the circle. Okay, go ahead. Camera on. Draw a circle.
Takpan yung mic.
Oh!
Now, you bisect this side, this radius, you bisect it. Usual bisect we do, you know, and this is now the midpoint. There. Okay. With that as the center, we draw an arc, strike an arc. Sabi nila, strike. Then we will have that distance. This is the center. We will now draw another arc. Now, this will be one side. Well, on the other side, since the sides are all equal, we can now place it here. Another side, another side, another side. This will be the same as that. That completes the figure. Now, got a word of caution. The error usually is here. It's either longer or shorter than the rest of the sides. What is the cause of the error? Maybe you did not get right the center of the arc. Baka ito, napunta rito sa may kanan. So what is the technique? Make the pencil line sharp, fine line. Or maybe in this portion, you have that one. Dito ka naglagay. Sa halip na dyan, kung saan man dyan. So it can cause errors. So this is a test of preciseness, accuracy in measuring and in making your drawing. So mechanical drawing. Pentagon describe. Okay, end. Okay, that's enough. We will go to the Braille method. Okay? So